And then we'll basically translate it of who you are and what this event means to you.
Yes, my name is Mbuso Khoza. I'm a vocalist and a songwriter. This day today affirms another era in the Zulu nation. Umntwana kaPhindangene as a descendant of uNgqangelele who was working with King Shaka. Later in 1879, Mnyamana kaNgqangelele, who is the son of Ngqangelele, who is a father to Umkhandumba. Umkhandumba is a father to Machole. Machole is a father to the Prince of Wapindangene. You know, it marks, another interesting era where we need to think deeply and objectively about our culture and where it is going in the modern day.
So in terms of that, in terms of the culture and where it's going in the modern day,
yes.
Right now we do know that these huge elections are currently going next year.
Yes.
And today what we have seen is that we have seen people actually talk quite a lot in terms of how the Prince Mbuso actually handled himself, as a person from a specific clan and tribe.
Yes.
What does that mean to you as an individual in terms of his tribalism?
Mntwana kaPhindangene is not a tribalistic leader, but it happened that he was born in a very deep aspect of what the Zulu nation is.
Yeah.
His mother is a daughter of King Dinizulu, who is a son of King Cetshwayo, who fought the most remarkable battle in this. And then his father is Nkosi uMatholo, whom he is a descendant of those who worked with King Shaka and molded this kingdom. There was no way that Umntwana kaPhindangene was gonna really be off the hook from his roots. So I think tribalism is when you look down upon other people. But he believed in his own culture and he believed in the teachings that he suckled from his mother, especially Umntwana uMagog. So really, I understand what happened in the 80s and the 90s.
Yes.
I think political analysts can attend to that, but as a cultural practitioner and as a heritage consumer, my relationship with Umntwana has been nothing but a son and a father relationship where we sit down, we look at the future of our heritage and culture, especially Amahubo.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so right now you can see that there's progressiveness in terms of that.
No.
There's no progress. There's still a lot of work.
There's still a lot of work.
Yeah.
Umntwana did what he has done and he excelled in it. But at this point in time, we really need to think objectively as the Zulu nation, contributing to the parameters of a unified South Africa. Where are we going and how are we going to contribute to our land?
Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, my king.